This is bad. It's getting worse.
Today, we're doing a hot sauce taste test. Here's the breakdown. As a base, we're using these store-bought chicken wings, just salt and pepper. The 3 sauces we're using are the following. We're starting with a tapatio, very popular, entry-level spice. And then things get really interesting, guys. We're moving on to this make your own hot sauce kit. We're gonna mix it together in front of you, and we're gonna be trying their Chipotle option, which is about medium level heat. And then, to close it off, we're gonna use this even badder boy. This is the bomb. If you don't know what the bomb is, make sure to stick around to the end of the video to watch 3 grown men cry.
That's really bad.
We're using these store-bought chicken wings. However, if you want the juiciest, crispiest chicken wings, make sure to check out the link in the description for a how to make your own chicken wings at home video. Let's get going. All right, the sauces are ready, and so are we. For moral support and a less biased review, I brought these 2 guys along with me. This is Adam, the Polish pierogi, and Igor, the Russian dumpling. Let's go.
Go dummy, go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them. Apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 500 degrees on them. 500 degrees. Go dummy, go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them. Apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 500 degrees on them. 500 degrees. Countdown, levitate. Going up, elevate. Watch me demonstrate. On time, never late. I grind, celebrate. No pump, fake, hesitate. I've been scoring every day. Champagne Perrier. Since 9-3, been in the box, now I'm stepping up to home. Like straight out the sand lot, now I'm plotting on the globe. I work hard, I show love, that calm and steady grind. Got this far, I go hard, let God take control. I was starving skinny, now my weight up, got no energy for haters. See you trying, see you later. I'm shooting for the stars, need no laser beam, blowing like the greatest, but it's one who's always greater. Go dummy, go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them. Apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 500 degrees on them. 500 degrees. Go dummy, go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them. Apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 500 degrees on them. 500 degrees. Smile good, skin clear. This here my year. Hey, look up here. This here my tier. Same fit 4 days. I grind 4 ways. I play no games. All me, no blame.
All right, moment of truth. Are you ready?
No.
Are you ready?
Definitely ready.
Let's do it. We're gonna start nice and easy. Gentlemen, go ahead. Take the base chicken wing, no sauce, just salt and pepper. Let's go. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Definitely a nice crunch. Well cooked. You know what they say? Air fryer chicken wings, they hit a little different. Am I right?
Definitely. Is it supposed to be spicy?
No, not yet. All right, next one, tapatio, light spice. Gentlemen,
Cheers.
you'll notice the tapatio, like I said, very light spice, very popular hot sauce.
It's hitting the spot.
Mm-hmm.
Spicy, but not hot right now. I like your spice.
Spicy but pleasant spicy.
Exactly. I'm not sure about pleasant, but
The third one, which was, oh, we're gonna wait for
Oh boy.
the Big Russian to finish. The third one is the make your own hot sauce. Again, as mentioned previously, the Chipotle option. Medium spice.
Woo! You are.
Go ahead, it's all the same.
Medium, eh?
Medium spice. Let's go.
Okay. It's a bit sweet.
Yeah, it is,
I like that little kick of sweet, yeah.
yeah, definitely a little sweet.
I could just feel the heat going to my face right now.
This is good, this is good. We're fine. We are coasting right now. If you'd like to see any more, any taste tests, because we have no regards for our personal well-being, let us know in the comments. 3 out of 4, how do you feel, Adam?
So it's good, it's good.
Yeah?
I like it. I like
Good?
it. So far, so good.
Last but not least, the bomb.
How spicy is this?
I will do the honors. It's not spicy at all.
Can I look at you first?
We're doing it at the same time.
I'll grab the bigger one. That's the bigger one.
See you on the other side.
Something.
Count not getting away from me. I like to.
Oh my god. Oh. What the? Oh. Sorry.
Make sure do not touch your eyes or
Oh.
any part of your body basically as you're eating.
Ah.
As you're eating this chicken wing.
Oh my god.
Okay, this is definitely obviously spicier than the rest.
This is bad.
It's oh yeah. Adam, how do you feel?
Not well, not well. Oh. Why are we doing this? Oh my god, it's getting worse.
Just to give you you an idea, it started off not too bad. It definitely kicks up as it penetrates your inside.
Oh my god, crap.
You okay?
Oh, no, I can't swallow it all. Oh, my insides. Oh. My throat.
It's definitely
Napkin. Help. Milk, please, milk. Just throw on me.
our back scene.
That shit, whatever you have.
Aides are gonna bring us some napkins and some milk to aid in the whole process. Yeah, thank you very much. Do not touch any part of your face. Remember, we started off with the salt and pepper regular. Have a seat, which was nice and crunchy and mild.
Okay.
Tapatio, just a bit taste test of spicy. The make your own sauce, which picked it up just a little bit.
A little bit, eh?
And then the bomb, which is very spicy.
That's really bad. Oh boy. I don't think you need this. It's really bad.
Okay, I guess I don't need my milk. This has been hot sauce taste test. If you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe. Let us know in the comments any other hot sauce that you'd like us to try. I'm sure they'd be okay.
No.
To come back and try it again. See you next time. We're done.
Oh man. I'm not looking good. Definitely not. Oh. I don't want milk. I want ice. Incredibly sweating right now. Please, get out of here.